40 ka na and you work 8 to 5. So, ano excuse mo?
Throw your hands up if you with it, drop it.
You don't need more time. You need fewer excuses. Sabi nga nila, kung gusto may paraan. Kung ayaw, may dahilan. If you're between 40 and 50 years old, working an 8 to 5 job, tapos laging pagod, and you've been telling yourself, mag-start ako pag medyo maluwag na. I've got bad news for you. If you're 40, you only have 30 Christmases to go. 30 summers to go. Base yan sa life expectancy ng mga Pilipino. And life does not become less busy. You just get older. Lagi kong naririnig to. Wala akong time tumakbo. Talaga ba? Let's do the math. There are 168 hours in a week. You work 45 hours, di ba? You sleep roughly 56 hours. May tira ka pang 60 hours, papi. So, hindi time ang issue. Ang issue is your time is already booked. Booked by what? By your phone, by Netflix, by doom scrolling sa social media, and saying, mamaya na. Nung nag-start ako tumakbo, hirap din akong mag-manage ng time. But you know, I made one decision. My health became a non-negotiable appointment. The same way I don't skip work, I also don't skip showing up for myself. Here's something beginners get wrong. Akala nila motivation comes first. Mali. Yung motivation, mga papi, parang mga kandidato lang yan during the campaign season. They're everywhere until it's actually time to go to work. Discipline is what shows up after election day. You don't wait until you're motivated. You run first, then motivation catches up. If you're working 8 to 5, here's a realistic schedule. Wake up 1 hour earlier and run for 30 to 40 minutes. Not 5 kilometers, not 10. Just move, gumalaw ka lang. Walk if you have to. Jog if you can. Because consistency beats intensity every single time. Tanda mo yan, Paps. Too tired after work? Then, wag mong pangakuan yung sarili mo na tatakbo ka ng 1 oras. Lagay mo lang sa isip mo, tatakbo ka ng 15 minutes. Because here's the funny thing. Once you've already changed into your running shoes, you're probably going out anyway. You know, the hardest part of running is putting on your shoes. Isa pang trick that changed everything for me. Stop chasing motivation and start protecting the momentum. Never miss 2 workouts in a row. 1 missed workout is called life. 2 missed workouts become a habit. 3, now you're back saying, Monday na lang talaga. We've all been there. Huwag mong ikumpara yung sarili mo sa mga runners na nagpo-post ng half marathon or marathon. Compare yourself to the version of you who used to get tired climbing 1 flight of stairs. That's your real competition. And here's the mindset that kept me going. Chat, uulan. Don't run because you hate your body. Run because you want to keep using it. Imagine yourself 20 years from now. Would your future self thank you? Or tatanungin ka, ba't mo ako pinabayaan? At our age, we're no longer exercising just to look good. We're training so we can play with our future grandchildren. Travel without getting exhausted. Carry groceries without back pain. Enjoy retirement instead of spending it in hospital waiting rooms. That's a much bigger reason than the 6-pack abs. So, if you are in your 40s, 45, or even in your 50s, huwag ka nang maghintay ng Pasko. Don't wait until your doctor tells you it's too late. Put on your shoes, step outside, walk if you have to, run if you can. Basta tigilan mo yung paghilata, papi. Every kilometer you run today is an investment in the life you'll still be living 10, 20, or even 30 years from now. Know that your family deserves a healthier version of you. If this message spoke to you, hit that like button, mga papi. Subscribe and share this video with someone who's saying, wala akong time. Maybe this is the sign they've been waiting for. Now stop watching. Your first kilometer is waiting for you. Happy Sunday. Run, 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 Park Links. Till the next Boodle. Peace.